In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the power of PopAI to transform your income. We will discuss 7 proven strategies that have the potential to skyrocket your earnings and take your financial success to new heights. Get ready to unleash the power of PopAI and join the growing number of people who are leveraging this technology to create wealth. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch this video now and start your journey towards financial freedom with PopAI. Number 1. Content Mastery with PopAI. Are you struggling to produce high-quality content that ranks well in search engines? Look no further than PopAI. With its advanced language processing capabilities, PopAI can help you create top-notch content that engages your audience and climbs the search rankings. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to endless creativity. Number 2. Supercharge your social media with PopAI. Want to take your social media presence to the next level? PopAI is here to help. Whether you need eye-catching captions, engaging tweets, or captivating Facebook posts, PopAI has got you covered. Increase your followers, boost engagement, and become a social media sensation with the help of PopAI. Number 3. Create like a pro with high-powered design tools. In today's visual world, having stunning visuals is crucial for grabbing attention and making a lasting impression. PopAI has integrated design tools that enable you to create professional-looking graphics, images, and videos effortlessly. Say goodbye to design skills and hello to AI-powered creativity. Number 4. Personalized learning with iTutors. Are you looking to upskill or learn something new? With PopAI, you can have a personalized learning experience with iTutors. Get instant feedback, customized learning plans, and 24/7 support. It's like having a personal tutor in your pocket. Number 5. Health and wellness coaching with PopAI. Taking care of your health and wellness is paramount, and PopAI is here to support you on your journey. From fitness and nutrition to mental health and mindfulness, PopAI provides personalized coaching and guidance to help you achieve your wellness goals. Get on-demand consultations, customized plans, and motivational support. Number 6. Automate your workflows with task managers. Workflows can be time-consuming and complex, but PopAI has the perfect solution for you. With its task managers, you can automate your workflows, improve efficiency, and free up your time for more important tasks. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to AI-powered automation. Number 7. Entertainment and personalization with PopAI. Looking for some fun and entertainment? PopAI has you covered. From AI-powered games to personalized recommendations, PopAI makes your leisure time more enjoyable than ever before. Get ready to experience the future of entertainment with PopAI. These are just a few examples of how PopAI is transforming various industries and empowering individuals to achieve their goals. The possibilities with PopAI are truly endless. So why wait? Embrace the future with PopAI and unlock a world of opportunities. Thank you for watching.